Alright, let's get this done.
Here's a script. Intro music upbeat and catchy Fix Zone theme. Host asterisk hey everyone, and welcome back to Fix Zone. Today we're tackling a question I get asked all the time. How to watch Indian Netflix on your Apple TV, no matter where you are in the world. Short graphic with the title, How to Watch Indian Netflix on Apple TV Easy Guide. Host asterisk now, before we dive in, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our tech tips and tricks. And if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel out. Host asterisk okay, so why would you want to watch Indian Netflix? Well, it's got a ton of content you might not find in your local library. Think Bollywood blockbusters, regional films, and unique Indian TV shows. So in this video, we're going to walk you through the easiest way to unlock that content on your Apple TV. We'll cover the two main methods, using a VPN and setting it up correctly.
Let's get started.
Transition graphic with text, method 1, using a VPN. Host asterisk alright, method number 1, using a VPN, or virtual private network. Now, a VPN basically tricks Netflix, and other websites, into thinking you're located in India. This allows you to access the Indian Netflix library. Host asterisk first, you're going to need a reliable VPN service.
Il recommande, mention 2 à 3 VPN services.
E.g. NordVPN, ExpressVPN, Surfshark, because they have fast servers in India, good security, and are generally easy to use. Asterisk disclaimer, this is not sponsored, these are simply VPNs known for good service. Please do your own research to decide what's best for you. Asterisk. Host asterisk so, here's the catch. Apple TV doesn't natively support VPN apps. That's right, you can't just download a VPN app directly onto your Apple TV. But don't worry, there are workarounds. The most common is setting up the VPN on your router. Show screen recording / graphics explaining the process of setting up a VPN on a router. This section should be visual and clear.
Asterisk asterisk.
Host asterisk, voiceover over the screen recording. Okay, so log into your router's admin panel. The exact steps will vary depending on your router model, so consult your router's manual or search online for specific instructions. Look for a section called VPN Client, VPN Settings, or something similar. Enter the VPN credentials provided by your VPN service. Choose a server location in India. Save the changes, and restart your router. Now all devices connected to your router, including your Apple TV, will appear to be browsing from India. Host asterisk, back on camera now, once the VPN is set up on your router, simply restart your Apple TV. Open the Netflix app. You should now see the Indian Netflix library.
Asterisk asterisk, transition graphique with text, méthode 2, VPN on your computer, alternative, asterisk asterisk.
Host asterisk okay, so setting up a VPN on your router might sound a bit technical, right? So here's an easier way but will require using a computer. Create a mobile hotspot or share your internet connection from your computer to the Apple TV. Host asterisk here's how to do this with your computer.
Asterisk download and install the VPN on your computer.
Asterisk select the VPN server location, India. Asterisk create a Wi-Fi hotspot with your computer. The Apple TV must connect with this Wi-Fi hotspot. Asterisk restart your Apple TV and open the Netflix app. Host asterisk, back on camera. This is a great alternative if you want to only use Indian Netflix on your Apple TV and use other internet on the devices. It is easy to enable and disable the VPN, so you can easily switch back to your normal Netflix in just seconds. Transition graphic with text, troubleshooting tips. Host asterisk okay, so what if things aren't working? Here are a few troubleshooting tips. Asterisk clear the Netflix app cache asterisk. Sometimes Netflix stores location data, even after you've connected to a VPN. Go to your Apple TV settings, find the Netflix app, and clear the cache. Asterisk try a different VPN server in India asterisk. Some servers might be overloaded or blocked by Netflix. Asterisk contact your VPN provider support asterisk. They can help you troubleshoot specific issues. Asterisk make sure your VPN is working asterisk. Verify your IP address using a website like, mention a website to check IP address, e.g., whatismyip.com, while connected to the VPN on your computer. Asterisk check your router's firmware asterisk. Outdated firmware can cause VPN connection issues. Outro music starts, similar to intro. Host asterisk and that's it. That's how you can easily access Indian Netflix on your Apple TV using a VPN. I hope this video was helpful. Host asterisk if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to FixZone for more tech tips and tricks. Host asterisk thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. End screen with call to action to subscribe and watch other videos.